Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Scott Machine Gun Dad. I did a video that's really upset quite a few people on the MP-5 C93 Malaysian contract stocks interchangeability. Apparently it wasn't very liked by some people. In the meantime, AC Unity, who makes the polymer mags, came out with an MP-5 stock. So it's $69, I think, from RTG. I'm going to compare this to a real MP-5 stock. Real MP-5 stock. Alright, so let's go through the end. Alright. First of all, most important part, they have the same types of buffer. This is the HK, this is the AC Unity. They have the recessed cup. There's no added plastic or metal buffer for the 33. So that's great. MP-5 has the old German style sling attachment. AC Unity, under this little rubber cup, they put a hole right here for a quick detach sling. Nice feature for the younger people who like quick detach slings. For us old guys, it's just something that sticks out, but it's a nice feature for in today's world. So ergonomically, I don't know if you can see that, they're the same length, they're the same rake, same stock drop. Now, so the big thing, and this is a biggie for me because I don't know why they did this. See these two little holes here? They're fake. They don't do anything. They're on both sides. They don't go through. They should go through like they do on the factory HK, so when you're taking the gun apart, you have a place to put your pins so you don't lose them. On the Unity, it doesn't do anything, so this is stupid. $69. When I put them on both the guns, this is an original MP-5 and this is a Zenith. It's tight, they're tight. What am I trying to tell you? What I'm trying to tell you is, instead of spending $300-400 for one of these, if you don't have a real HK, what do you need a real HK buttstock for? Buy one of these. Works great. Has the correct buffer, has a newer style sling swivel. Granted, you don't get the cross pins, but it's $70 versus, you know, $250 to $400 depending on what they're going for. There are problems with this. They give you these little rubber stoppers to put in the off side. You don't put the sling in. They seem to fit a little loose. I may just rubber cement in the side I don't use. The stocks are tight. Now, why would the stocks be tight on an AC Unity one? Well, let's stop to think about it. They're building this for everybody who builds these clones. Zenith, POF, whatever. Home builds, PTR. A lot of these places, their receivers have a variance from one company to another. By making them fit a little tight, it's better than it fitting loose. You can tap it on, it'll conform. Eventually it's plastic, it'll wear a little bit to your gun and you have a good stock. So my recommendation, these are well worth the money. And if you're if you SBR your AP5 or your HK, or you have the Zenith rifle and you want the plastic stock, PTR with a good plastic stock with the correct buffer configuration, this is a really good endorsement, a really good investment. I'm not endorsed by anybody. I don't really care if you buy this. I'm just trying to help, people save money and trying to point people in the right direction. Thanks for coming to my channel.